Seperate Masters Final 2019, Day 1 with Jonas, the champion of the Swedish event. Today, Jonas is going to show us one of his top tips.
Hi, my name is Jonas Sjöström and I'm here today to show you some tips and tricks about wrapping a car. First off, I'm going to show you how to lay a hood with an anchor hood without using magnets, and also dividing up the hood in separate pieces using this tool and this tool. So first off, we need to, this tool is used for splitting the backing paper. So first off, we split it like this on this corner. Same thing on that corner. Then I should switch off to the double one. And then doodle middle. After this, we can flip the whole thing. Take this, anchor it on that side. And anchor it on that side. And imagine if you were using printed material, you have to adjust the positioning a bit. But once you get the positioning right, you have an anchor point in the middle. Then you can just lift this area up. And lay the hood like this. And now you split the hood in two pieces instead of one huge piece. So you can either start by squeegeeing this side and then go onto this side, or you can lift the thing up and just go at it again from the whole thing. So that's what I wanted to show you about this thing. And there's a lot of ways of splitting the backing paper. You just have to be smart on how you do it, and different hoods needs different cuts. But this is basically a good setup for most hoods. Okay, for this trick I'm going to show you how to heat for this time a helmet, because I don't allow to use the mirror caps on the door. But how to pre-stretch and wrap round object on site using the door, the window. So you have the window open, and first off you start heating the whole vinyl. And pull it down a bit to pre-stretch it. And then I'm going to use some magnets just to anchor it. And then I'm going to heat the whole area and pull this straight through it. And you'll just have to imagine this being a mirror cap or a door handle instead. So the area is nice and soft now. So I can just push through this. And this is a pretty good starting point for a mirror cap. So from this on you have to heat it to make it shrink a bit. But this just a cool trick, neat trick for making the extra pair of hands on site.